Can microwave be cause of cancer? Microwave ovens make use of microwaves, which are one kind of radiation. Radiation is the light coming from the sun and the heat that is constantly coming from our bodies. It is the emission or sending out of energy from any source. X-rays are an example of radiation, and so is a microwave. When we talk about radiation and cancer, most of the people think of particular kinds of radiation such as X-rays or nuclear reactors radiation. But there are other types of radiation that act differently. Radiation is present in a spectrum of very high-frequency radiation to very low-frequency radiation. This is referred to as the electromagnetic spectrum. X-rays and gamma rays are the examples of high-energy radiation. Along with these, some higher-energy ultraviolet radiation is called ionizing radiation, which means they have enough energy to ionize an atom or molecule. This can result in damage to the DNA inside of cells, which can result in cancer. Radiofrequency radiation, which is the combination of radio waves and microwaves, is at the end of the electromagnetic spectrum. It falls under non-ionizing type of radiation. Non-ionizing radiation with the help of energy can easily move atoms in a molecule or cause them to shake, but not enough to ionize, i.e. remove electrons. Compared to other types of non-ionizing radiations, RF radiation has lower energy like visible light and infrared. When materials containing water, such as food, body tissues, and fluids absorb RF radiation can result in heat production, which can lead to tissue damage and burns. Though damaging DNA in cells is not caused by RF radiation, the ionizing radiation does damage, and there has been concern that some forms of non-ionizing radiation might have biological effects that may result in cancer under some circumstances. The cellular activity in the humans is modified by microwaving, which in turn damages the food. Our cells are forced by the damaged cells to adapt to an emergency mode of energy production. The cells produce energy production of glucose fermentation. This becomes a cancerous condition. The cancer cells cannot exist in oxygen. This is the reason why cancer patients should not eat foods made with sugar. Foods are not made radioactive by microwave ovens. Microwave ovens, by producing radiation, heat the food, which is absorbed by water molecules in the food, which makes the water molecules shake and produce heat, which helps to cook the food. Microwaves only heat the food. Microwave ovens do not make any changes to the foods that aren't made by any other cooking method. So they do not make food likely to cause cancer. By understanding different types of radiations may help to assure that cooking in a microwave is not dangerous and won't cause cancer. While it is safe to use microwaves, it is important to fact out that cooking in them can affect nutritional value of some types of foods like fruit and vegetables. But heating foods in any way like boiling, frying, steaming or grilling can cause loss of nutrients. As long the food is not overcooked, microwaving can be a healthy way to cook as it uses only little amount of water. The best way to keep fruits and vegetables full of nutrients is using as little water as possible and not to overcook them. The food is cooked at high temperatures in very little amount of time in microwaving. This can result into a great deal of nutrient loss, particularly vegetables. The foods also lose nutrients when they are boiled, fried or roasted. The boiling of vegetables may result into loss of most of the nutrients, including antioxidants, into the water. For only a slight loss of nutrients, they should be steamed. Baking at very low temperatures is also a feasible option that will hold more nutrients than frying, boiling or microwaving. To ensure a high level of nutrient intake, the diet should be taken raw. The effect of microwaves on antioxidants, proteins and nutrients can be understood by the help of science and research. To maintain the nutrition levels of our food, we should stick to the raw diet as far as possible. We can use steaming or baking as our main cooking methods instead of microwaving and can prevent cancerous cells formation. We hope you find this video helpful. Like it and share it with your friends. Share your thoughts in comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will get notified for new videos. Thanks for watching.